Hi! So for tonight's video, kakauwi ko lang galing from work and I'm so hungry. So, may namimiss akong food na matagal ko nang hindi kinakain. So, ito yung lucky you, lucky me. Yung lagi ko sinasabi sa YouTube channel ko before. So, mag-cup noodles muna tayo for today's video. And, ayun. Huwag lang araw-araw or wag lang palagi na kumakain ng instant noodles. It's because hindi healthy. Aminin na natin, it's not healthy to eat the noodles because marami siyang MSG and hindi talaga maganda kapag instant. Oo, hindi pwedeng instant, kailangan pinaghihirapan. Charot!